Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how to do the monthly PC maintenance or perform PC maintenance on of your client computer as an IT support, IT help desk, or IT administrator, or any IT field. We are required to check the computer of the user to avoid from any risk. So this one, as an IT, you are required to do. And in today's lesson, I will teach some tips that I think that it will be help you or it will be useful for you as an IT. Okay, so this one I have prepared. First, you have to clear cache. Okay, we have to clear cache on the user PC. Now I will go to see here is my client PC. I will go to see. Okay, property to check. Okay, so here is my client 001 local. So on this PC, I have to perform all these tasks. Okay, so first I need to clear cache. You can use Windows R. Okay, and then you write temp like this A1. Okay, and then you Control A and Shift delete, permanent delete this one. I hope that everyone can know. I will go faster. Okay, and then you click this skip. Okay, one more, you need to use temp without the mark. Okay, and this require administrator. Okay, so what I suggest here is better for you to use local administrator. Okay, 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 then use Control L and Shift delete. Okay, skip this one because some file we are opening, so this file cannot be deleted. And one more prefix. Okay, prefix. Okay, it also require administrator. Okay, I will put my local administrator. I don't want to use the domain administrator in case it can be leaked. Okay, that's why I use this one. A suggestion, you have to use a local administrator as well, everyone. Okay, Control A and Shift delete. Okay, so now the first step has been finished. Okay, this one we have finished. Now we have to go to another thing is to optimize the this drive. Okay, we just go to search and we put the fragment. Yeah, the fragment. Okay, and then you have to find this fragment and optimize drive. Okay, click on it. This one we want to make our SSD or M.2 or our hard disk more smooth. Okay, so you just wait. It will be pop up based on the computer performance, everyone. Okay, wait a bit. Okay, so it's coming. So this one I have only C drive. If you have D drive or E drive, you have to optimize all. Okay, I click on drive C, and then it also requires the administrator password. I will put administrator password so I can optimize this one. After you put administrator password, you can optimize it. Okay. I think I can just to delete it. Okay, just wait a bit, everyone, because I do the remote from my server, so that's why it's a bit slow. Okay, optimal. Okay, as you can see, this one is optimized. You just click on optimize, and then it will be run until it finish. Okay. So this one I have never optimized. It will be take long time, and if you have try C or try D, you have to click on this optimize as well. Okay, and wait until it show the status okay. So this I will let it go. I continue to another step. This clean up, okay. This clean up is can make your this drive has pretty more space, and it also clear the temporary file or like a window update something. So it can make your SD has more free space. Okay. Okay. So this one you can choose. It has many options. As in IT, I think you really know what are the usage. Okay, I will click on the cycle bin or temporary file download. Okay, and system error. I will click on it. And if you are not clear, you just click it all at once. Okay, now I click OK, delete. So it will be delete all. This one won't be affected to your operating system or file at once. It just clear the file that are not very important that have been stored in your PC. Okay, so this one step has finished. You have to use another tool that is the Microsoft have just released this one, malicious removable tool or MRT. So you just search, you use MRT. Okay, okay, so MRT it will be pop up soon. Just wait. Okay, just wait a bit, everyone. Okay, let's say use this one MRT. Okay, so it's required this the password. You can put administrator password or administrator password. Okay, okay, so this one it will be pop up. This one this tool is used to scan any software that is affected to your PC, or if any antivirus happen, this tool also can be helped. Just click next. In this demo, I will choose quick scan, but for your practice, for the first scanning, I recommend everyone to use full scans. Okay, but to demo, to make it faster, I click only this one. Okay, so this one it will be scan all the file in your operating system, and if there are any file that has been affected, it will be show the status here. Okay, so this one I let it go and finish. Okay, because I think it will be take more long time as well, because I have never done on this user. We can go to another step. I think another step everyone can know for this one. If you have any antivirus, you have to scan. If you have to use Sophos, you have use BitLocker, you have use BitTorrent, or you have use Kaspersky, okay, or any Era, okay, you can, or AVG, you can use all of those software to scan for your user PC. So this one I won't be demo. Okay, it based on your organization. And another thing that you need to do is check unauthorized software that has been installed, because some of user, even though we put the policy, there are still some user that can uh, try to install the software on the PC that are not allowed on your organization. So you can go to your control panel or your program. This I will go to my control panel to check what are the software that the client has been installed without my permission. Okay, I believe that most of you have already put the permission not allow the user to install, but just in case some user have installed, okay, without permission, it can be happen in some organization if your policy or your permission that you have put is not well. Okay, so I will check. Okay, so all these user I install of the software. For example, if there is a software name Kaspersky that has been installed here, and this Kaspersky is not allowed in my organization, I have to quickly remove it from this user PC. So this one is important for you. Okay, so after the check unauthorized software, okay, you need to do another thing is enable restore points. Okay, because some of user they are operating system can be crashed, so we will have to create the restore point for them. In case there is a problem, we can restore the operating system back. Okay, now to do this, I go to restore point. Okay, I just right click on this PC property. I think most of you have known about this one. Okay, and then you go to system protection. Okay, I will put my local administrator password. Okay, and then it will open the system restore point here. So this one you have to use configure. Okay, and then turn on operating system, apply. Okay, okay, and then you choose create. Create today I will put 16 June. Okay, 16 June 2024. So I can know that this date is the date that I have created this restore point. Okay, so when the user have a problem with their operating system, I can restore to this date. Okay, now you see the MOT, it's fine because my PC haven't found any program that is harmful to the PC. Okay, so you just click finish for this one, and then I let it finish for the create restore point. Okay, okay, now let it finish this one. Okay, then this one you see the status is okay, so you can close it. Okay, okay, this one after it finish A1, after it finish, this one won't be shown. Okay, now let me summarize again. So here are the tips that for you to consider, and if you have another tip that that you are required to perform in your PC maintenance or your client PC maintenance, you can leave in the below video. So I can be known as well. Okay, so here are only the tip that I think is very important. Okay, okay, so the result point has been success. So I click OK. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find this lesson useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.